Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to be making something very simple but yet irresistible: chocolate dust cookies. Stick around and watch till the end of the video to show you how I make them. Happy watching. In my food processor, I went in with my flour. I decided to use a food processor because I don't want to spoil my hand, or probably use any spatula because it's faster. And I substituted sugar with honey because I don't want to use sugar for my kids. I'm basically making these cookies for my kids. I went in with all my ingredients as seen in the video, and then you can see I'm mixing it. I decided to check if everything is incorporated. You can put all your ingredients in any container, a bowl per se, and then you mix. You can use your hands, either your hands or a spatula or a whisk. The choice is yours. The dough is mixed, as you can see. I scooped a small amount of the dough and put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder to give it a chocolatey taste. Oh, some people will be laughing at my voiceover, but practice makes perfect. After mixing everything, I decided to use a piping bag for the cookies. I said, let me see how it comes out. I put the dough inside the piping bag, as you can see, and went in with the other dough I mixed with cocoa, as you can see in the video. Wow. Well, after putting everything in the piping bag, I started piping. As you can see, it's giving me a very nice shape, but you can still use your palm or cookie cutter to shape your cookies. The choice is yours. This is what I decided to use, but I have a story. Like when I was making this, when I was piping the cookies, the piping bag busted, but I didn't show that part. It will be story for another day. You see, I decided to put everything, after the piping bag busted, I decided to put it back in a bowl and use my palms to shape the cookies. It came out well, as you can see. Make sure you use your palms before using your hands for the cookies. That is when, if you are using your hand, if you are using cookie cutters, you just need a rolling pin to roll everything and then shape it into your desired shape. I use this fork to give it a cute design. Something. I know I'll be perfect one day with this voiceover, but take it as you see it. After while I'm making these cookies, I'm already preheating my oven. So after I'm done with designing the cookies, I'm gonna put everything inside the oven to bake for like 15 minutes at a very low heat. Please, a very low heat. You can bake for 15 minutes, and after baking for 15 minutes, this is what I got. See how crunchy and soft it looks. Please like and share. Thank you.